Hello, my name is Lucy Mogambi, acting in KUTRRH Hospitality Centre. The KUTRRH Hospitality Centre was started in 2021. It's located in the hospital grounds. The facility has several services: housekeeping services, the restaurant services that offers excellent meals of your choice. We have a variety that you can order from our restaurant. And also we do offer laundry services. The facility also can accommodate people coming for conferencing. We have conferencing facilities held within the hospital. The KUTRRH Hospitality Centre is a facility that was set for accommodation purposes for people from outside the country, as well as our local guests. So it's a facility that is open to public and especially accommodates the people who come to see their patients. Kenyatta University Teaching, Referral and Research Hospital offers several services. For example, PET scan, cyberknife services, radiotherapy services, and also chemotherapy, where people come from different and various parts of this country, including outside our country. And all those people can be accommodated in our facility. Anyone can come, you can come and enjoy with your family. You can come and enjoy our services.
My name is Bobby. When you say KUTRRH Hospitality Centre, it's a hotel within the hospital that caters for accommodation. So what we offer, let me give you an example of this room, which is an apartment. You can actually have a microwave, a fridge, and a cooking range. We provide for you the utensils. And then this is a 2-bedroom apartment. There are 2 bedrooms that can actually fit 4 people. The only thing that we share is the bathroom. That is the only thing that we share. And we have a gym.
My name is Moses Kawa. I come from Homa Bay. My background is teaching, but I'm now retired. I am here for treatment, and I also reside here for the duration of my treatment. I would say my feedback is definitely positive because I'm happy with all the services I've received from this facility. Like regarding accommodation, the rooms are very, very spacious. The first time I came, I ended up taking an apartment because somebody paid for it. But the next time I have been taking, whatever room I take, I find it very satisfactory in terms of neatness, even the cleanliness of the linen and the cleanliness of the room. I'm currently in a double room and I find it spacious and I'm very satisfied with it. I would recommend to the patients and even for the general public who might need accommodation, especially because of its affordability and the excellent services offered. I think even for myself, if for any reason I'm coming this way, I would still choose to stay with this facility. The services offered are excellent.
My name is Peris Kimani, the executive housekeeper in KUTRRH Hospitality Centre, home away from home. Here in Hospitality Centre, we can accommodate about 100 people. We have 3 types of the rooms. We have main suite, we have ranch singles, and we have apartments. We have different prices, which is pocket friendly. We have a single room for 1,500. We have twin room for 2,500. We have main suite for 3,000. Our services are very good.
I take this opportunity to welcome everybody and all the public. You will find us here inside the hospital a place where you can be comfortable, a place where you can be secure, a place where you can get the services that you need comfortably without hustling out there, and have a facility where you can stay home away from home.